experience the mind unbounded. Amiga, the first personal computer that gives you a creative edge.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500 home computer. Dazzling animation at your command. I am the Commodore Amiga 500, a multitasking home office in your hand. I am the Commodore Amiga 500, total home video you control, and arcade quality games in stereo. And now, you can be everything I am.
Many other models available. See your full-service authorized dealer, Modern Business Machines.
The Amiga 500 computer from Commodore. It's simply amazing. The extraordinary Amiga 500 computer from Commodore. It's a whole lot of fun.
The search for a good computer deal continues.
Here it is.
Is that all you get?
You won't get a better deal anywhere else.
Wrong. You can get a better deal.
Who's that?
I'm Captain Diamond, and I'll give you bigger packages. And more software. And for another £200, you get a Philips stereo color monitor.
Everything but the kitchen sink from Diamond Computers.
If you imagined having a home computer would be glum, you'll be glad to see the Commodore Amiga 500, which does arcade-quality games. You can compose a symphony, or you can plan a new garden. The Amiga 500 could make all the difference to a child's education. So don't imagine having a home computer would be glum, because happily you can buy a Commodore Amiga 500. For details, call 01-873-9800. You'll be glad you did.
I'm learning fast. I'll give it my best shot.
I knew I could do it.
My name's Collie, and guess what? Sapphires man is such a shower. She just blabs about his band she smell. What an idiot. So guess what? I made this picture of me with the band. Amanda will spit blood badly when she sees this fair income. Then I'm going to put myself in their video. So easy, because guess what? My Commodore Amiga is so excellent, and Amanda's such a bogan because she won't know how I did it. So good. See ya.
The Commodore Amiga 500 now comes with the exciting Batman package, or Class of the 90s, the fun way to learn. Is he doing his homework or playing the Joker?
When you were growing up, you learned you were facing a world full of competition. There were so many of you with all the right credentials. To succeed today, you need a way to stand out from the crowd, to make the most of your special kind of music. Introducing Amiga, the computer that gives you undreamed-of creative power to work faster and more productively. With built-in color graphics no other comes close to. Amiga, the first personal computer to give you a creative edge.
Από όλα τα computers που θα μπορούσατε να διαλέξετε, η Amiga 500 είναι η πιο φιλική. Η Amiga 500 είναι απίθανα συναρπαστική. Η Amiga 500 είναι μαγικά μελωδική. Η Amiga 500 είναι έξυπνα εκπαιδευτική. Αλλά η Amiga 500 είναι και επαγγελματική. Και το σπουδαίο είναι πως μπορείτε να την αποκτήσετε μόνο με 149.000. Commodore Amiga 500.
True.
Is this your idea of a great adventure game? Or is this? Introducing the Amiga CD32, the world's first 32-bit game machine. Years in development, Commodore's advanced graphics architecture chips allow finer detail than any competing product, and over 250,000 colors on the screen at once. Combine this graphics power with the mighty 68020 microprocessor and CD stereo sound, and the possibilities are limitless. But the Amiga CD32 is far more than just a game machine. It can run most existing CD-TV software. It's a state-of-the-art CD audio player with a graphical user interface, and it's great for desktop video and multimedia presentations, like the one you're watching right now. So when you're ready to break the barriers of traditional game machines, take a look at the Amiga CD32. It blows away the competition.
Dad, you'll never believe what I just got. The new Amiga CD32 games console. It's got the best games and it's twice as fast as any other console. Not only that, but it also plays normal CDs.
That's interesting.
Yeah, soon it'll have full motion video so you can watch movies and stuff.
Is that right? Maybe we should get one for the grandkids, eh, son?
Great idea, Dad.
The new Amiga CD32 available now at Dick Smith Electronics.
I never found out why he chose me to share his secret. Perhaps because we had similar dreams. But this was twice as fast. Twice as powerful as anything I'd ever thought possible. Though what that meant, I could never have foreseen. Incredible graphics and colors, so many colors. Our world would never be the same again.